Whoops!
Bruh, look at this dude.
This place is ass. Fuck you too! Be back soon. Big test?
No. Oh, okay.
So, what are you working on? I want to introduce you to my friend Rarity. Why? Do you have glitter on you?
Yes. Really?
Oh, candy corn.
Eating soup after the big loss of the swim meet today?
Losers don't deserve nachos.
That's true. How do you do it, Pinkie? You always know exactly what everyone... I'm a fucking pretty princess.
And we're the chickens.